into leadership very early in my career just because of what I was doing. I will tell you, I learned as I went. I did the best I could. I also asked for help. I asked people that I looked up to, whether they were in the same industry or I had met through other industry events, and tried to understand from them lessons that I could apply, and also tried to create the leadership format that was true to my character. I think the key to being a successful change agent, or really embracing part of what I do, it's creating a crystal clear vision, making sure that your vision for where you're going is both short and long term, so people understand the ride they're going on and can understand sort of the stages of it. Another part is really thinking about creating a world-class team. That to me is a huge part of what fuels why I love doing what I do. I love nothing more than working with amazing people. It's all about having fortitude. You will have setbacks, and it's how you pivot with those setbacks and how you rally and change course, but still stay true to your vision and true to your integrity and your character. I drive my team very, very hard, but I drive them as hard as I drive myself. I believe in the golden rule. It's a very simple premise, but I treat people the way I want to be treated. And as a result, I've been very fortunate with a lot of the teams that I've built where people have worked for me 3 or 4 times.